Kwikset Signature Series 2nd Gen Smart Lock comes with Home Connect technology, which allows your lock to wirelessly communicate with your home automation system like Amazon Alexa or SmartThings Hub. Smart Home Hub required and sold separately. Discreet, durable, secure keyless entry door lock for your home and for peace of mind. Lock or unlock your door from anywhere with a supporting smart home system using your phone, tablet, or internet-connected device. Z-Wave Plus certified with the Z-Wave 500 chipset gives extended wireless range and superior 128-bit wireless encryption. Featuring smart key security. Now you can rekey the lock yourself in seconds in 3 easy steps.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,